Hello everybody, I'm on location at jaykay18's, as you know by now, and we're messing with the AC units. And as y'all know, if y'all watch him, he's had a several part series on the breakdown and repair of this, and we found some interesting things. I'm going to check, I brought my meter to check the capacitor, and then the kickstart is not hooked up, so we're going to definitely reconnect that and then compare it before and after, because I have the clamp on the amp meter. So that's what we're going to do now. I didn't see what the meter said, but that was a real easy start, whatever it was, and that's still with it disconnected. Reading 9.9 now. We're getting heat. We're definitely getting heat out of it. Get 10 amps. 10.1. So that's without it. Okay, and now with it connected,